This video will show you how to remove the shrouds from the Onyx Upright Cycle and explain where the electronic components are located. Some covers are interconnected and must be removed in a certain order. See the sections outlined on the following slides for more information. Your cycle has 3 serial number stickers. Before you begin, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Section 1, Mast Shroud. Pull the mast shroud from the bottom, to release it from the tabs. When this cover is removed, you can access the power inlet, the power cord management bar, and the C-Safe board. Make sure to carefully align the tabs on the shrouds during reassembly. Section 2, Service Shrouds. Go to the back of the cycle, and pull the rear frame shroud from the bottom, to remove it from the cycle. Insert your fingers into the access holes to release the service shrouds. There are 2 access holes on each side. On each side, align the crank arm with the groove, and then pivot the service shroud to lift it off the cycle. When the user right cover is removed, you can access the transmission set, drive belt, and drive belt tensioner. Separate parts replacement videos are available for the drive belt and the pulley axle. When the user left cover is removed, you can access the generator, the lower control board, the power filter, and the power adapter board. A separate parts replacement video is available for the generator. Reattach the service shrouds and the rear frame shroud. Make sure to align the tabs on the shrouds during reassembly. Section 3, Front Stabilizer Shroud. The bridge is located in the front stabilizer. Lift to remove the front stabilizer shroud. And then use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws from the metal cover. You can now access the TV tuner or the IPTV components. Make sure the metal cover is centered, and then reinstall the screws. Reinstall the front stabilizer shroud. Section 4, Console Bracket Shrouds. Loosen, but do not remove, the 2 screws behind the cup holders. Lift to remove the console bracket rear shroud. When this cover is removed, you can access the control board and the console connection cables. Remove 2 screws from the earphone board cover. and then unplug and remove the earphone board from the cycle. Remove 4 screws from the console bracket bottom shroud. When this cover is removed, you can access the heart rate board. You can also access the RFID board, which is located between the cup holders, and directly underneath the console. Reverse the steps to reinstall all covers. Make sure to align the tabs on the console bracket rear shroud during reassembly. Section 5, Console Back Cover. Loosen, but do not remove, the 2 screws at the bottom of the console. Use your finger, or a screwdriver, to snap the bottom of the cover towards you. Repeat this step on the other side. Guide the cover down to unhook it from the top of the console. When this cover is removed, you can access the USB. Refer to the video, Onyx console cable connections, or to the console connections chart in the Onyx console troubleshooting guide, for more information about the wire connections. Press the console cover back into place. Tighten the cover screws. Section 6, Central Cover. Squeeze the sides of the seat stem boot, and lift to move it farther up the seat post. Use a plastic pry tool, to unclip the central cover on each side of the seat post. You can now access the LED light strip, and the spring for the drive belt tensioner. Separate parts replacement videos are available for the LED light strip and the drive belt. Reinstall the central cover, making sure to align the tabs on the edges of the cover with the other frame plastics. Reinstall the seat stem boot. Realign the front of the boot first, then tuck the side tabs into the central cover.